Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Warisatul Husna, and today I would like to explain about conversation and discourse, especially about conversation analysis or CA. So, I would like to explain a little bit from my understanding about the CA or conversation analysis. So, conversation analysis or CA is how we analyze people's talking or people's conversation in everyday life. So, like we can see how people's interactions, what sentence would they use to that conversations, and then the invisible meaning of the sentence when people start talking. And after we know about the CA, we can move to the key concepts of CA itself. So, from my understanding, and after I read the book, I found three key concepts, which are the first one is ordinary conversations is the base of the all the conversation. What I can say about this is about the ordinary conversation have like a structure or where we are speaking, no matter where are we can usually use that one pattern or that one structure. What I want to say is about the turn taking, pauses, and then the expressions, the gesture, and I want to highlight about the turn taking. No matter where we are, we always have like a turn taking when we are speaking with a person. With a person. Even in the courtroom, we also use the turn taking, and in a simple one is when we chat with our friends, and after that, we in the classroom we use the turn taking idea or the structure of the turn taking, and that was the first key concepts. And after that, we have after the ordinary conversation, we have context shifts and context renewed. So what that mean? So context shifts actually is about how we build the conversations with a person or with our peer. Like if the person one say hi and then the person two say hey again or hello, we can build the conversations, and our conversation would going smoothly flow. And then the next point is context renewed. What that means? So context renewed is about how we jumped from one topic to another topic. For example, the first person said, hi, how are you? And then he replied, I'm fine. And then the person two suddenly said, let's go eat, or let's go to have lunch. So from the I'm fine to the command or to the offer to have lunch, it is called the context renewed. And then after that, the third things that important or the key concepts is about we have talked about the turn taking, and also we have the I forgot about this one, but it's also important is the pauses. Like, yeah, I think that's all from the key concepts. We can move to the next learning focus is about transcription. In transcription we have a bunch of symbol. So what the use of this symbol, I would like to explain to you. When we analyze people's conversations, we have to record that, and then after we record, we have to analyze, we have to write down or type it. So to make our analyze easier, we can put some symbol based on the CA. The first one is like arrow up a symbol that is describe about the high pitch. So when someone excited about something, usually they could speak like you're amazing. So the word amazing have a high pitch. So in our paper we can use the arrow up to describe the high pitch. And after that we have equal, the equal symbols that it describes about the what we call that the latched something, yeah. So the latched adherence. So that means when first person and second person talk with each other and they have no gap in their conversation. For example, the person one said, "You are beautiful." Yeah, she's beautiful, and the person to suddenly replied, "Yeah, you're so beautiful." And in between of the sentences, they have no gap in that sentences. So yeah, it called the latched adherence. And after transcription, we can move to the turn taking. I have explained it before, but yeah, I want to add some information about the turn taking. So basically, turn taking is about how when one person speaks, others would listen. Like only one person can speak in one time. So it means when one person talk, we cannot talk again or talk. So we must listen to that person. If we cannot listen to them and we individually want to talk when others talk, it could be chaotic and we don't get the point of our conversation or our discussion. And for example, in the situations in the class, if there is in the class, the teacher have a control about the turn taking. So if the teachers have done to have give the material, teachers could ask questions and the students can answer the questions. But there is some conditions when the teachers point that one students called maybe it's Sarah, but suddenly Alex want to talk too, like, yeah, it can be, we can say that as a overlapping. And after that, after turn taking, we have adjacency pairs. Adjacency pairs is about how we expect people would answer our questions or our expressions, like greetings and greetings, compliment with the acceptance or the thanking, and then over with acceptance. For example, if we say hi, we expect that people would reply our greetings, and then if we ask someone about some questions, we expect that that person would answer our questions. And if and after that, if we give someone a compliment, we expect that someone would thanking for us and smiling and feel happy for our compliments, not rejecting. It's also called organization. Preferred organizations. So everyone would prefer the positive answer, a positive acceptance from people. Yeah. And after that, we have the last things of the learning focus is the repair. So repair is something that in everyday conversation we usually have like misspelling or miswords, so we can repair it by ourselves. Yeah, correct by ourselves. Like if we can, for example, I say I met Sarah yesterday. Sorry, I mean Sandra, and we can correct it by ourselves. And after that, other person also can correct our mispronounce or misunderstanding. For example, I met him yesterday, and our partner would say who, because he or she doesn't know who are that we are talking about. And I would say, oh, I mean Alex. Yeah, like that. So we can repair, we can correct ourselves. So I think that's all about the that's all about the conversation analysis and discourse. So it's so important for our everyday life, so we can connect ourselves with everyone. We can know what's people intention to talk to us, and we can be a person who understand everybody. I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.